Hello and welcome to this video tutorial showing Optimost CE 22.4 new features. In Release 22.4, Optimost introduces the ability to import Google Analytics audiences via Experience CDP. This release also adds the capability to define attributes at the page counter level to track more granular action events. In addition, Optimost CE 22.4 enables users to track click actions on newly added elements within any creative. Let's start by showing how to import Google Analytics audiences from Experience CDP. Log in to Optimost. Go to Audiences. Clicking on Import Audience will bring up the list of available audiences in Experience CDP. Search for the audience, select and import. You can filter by CDP audiences. Next, we will assign the audience to an experiment. To do that, navigate to Visual Test. Open the experiment, go to Target Audience, edit Target Audiences, find the newly imported audience. Select it and click Save. This experiment will be targeted to those users belonging to the newly imported Google Analytics audience when it is launched. Click Save. Now let's show the next capability added in Optimost CE 22.4, which is tracking attributes within page counters. Within the experiment, select Page Counters. Select the counter and edit. Add attribute. Enter a name. Select what to specify. Provide cookie name. Let's add and save changes. Now every time this counter is triggered, it will also track the additional attribute that we just defined on the experiment. The third feature introduced in this Optimost release is the extended capability to define and track click actions at the creative level beyond the control web page. Using the same experiment, ensure you first select the control and navigate to the click counters. Create a new counter, provide a name, select Page Element, and click Save. Next, select Creative 1 and create a new click counter. Assign the click counter to the action you like. In this case, I like to use Start Your Quote button and click Save. Just like Control and Creative 1 pages, for Creative 2, you can assign actions to a click counter. Notice the other click counters are in different colors since they are not assigned to this creative. As you can see, in Release CE 22.4, Optimost introduces the ability to import Google Analytics audiences from Experience CDP. This provides seamless integration with Experience CDP accessing a consistent set of audiences shared among different Experience Cloud's products. In addition, users will be able to track more granular action within an experiment using attributes defined within page counters. This is essential to uncover additional insight into users' behavior as they navigate through the website, allowing customers to segment the data further. Finally, Optimost CE 22.4 enables users to track click actions on newly added elements within the creative, extending the existing capability of tracking clicks past the control web page.